More Singaporeans are lodging complaints over unpaid salaries over the past 2 years, with more seen in the first half of this year amid the COVID-19 crisis. Over 13,000 salary claims were made from last year to this June. In all, 9 in 10 managed to recover their wages fully, amounting to $23 million within 2 months.
54-year-old Abdul Rahim works in the construction sector. When his contract ended in February, he was owed about $10,000 in wages.
I don't no job. They say I did it very badly. Is it? And they can't tell me exactly when. If they can tell me, okay, 1 month I pay you 1 month. They can tell me a timeline. I wouldn't go to the ADM. They tell me they can't tell me when. So that's where the dispute starts to come in.
That's when he sought help with the Tripartite Alliance for Dispute Management and got back what he was owed within a month. He's one of the over 13,000 salary claims lodged from last year to this June.
So majority of employers, it's because they had financial difficulty, there was a delay. And salaries you need to pay within 7 days from when salary is due. So workers naturally, they get worried and they walk in. And when we do the mediation, employers typically will say, look, I had financial difficulties. And we say, yes, we recognize it, but that shouldn't be passed on to the workers and you should settle. And so in some instances, they work out an installment plan.
But authorities say there's still a handful of employers refusing to pay even when they can. They're now being investigated and could face fines, jail time, or have work pass privileges cancelled. Meanwhile, wrongful dismissal claims spiked in the second quarter. Many were unhappy about how abruptly they were let go and not so much about salary.
There's a lot of turbulence in the market. So they have to restructure their business to look at new avenues of sales. And that's a priority, and not so much in managing the staff.
Experts say communication between employers and staff are key to prevent disputes.
It is still your responsibility to pay salaries to them. You may negotiate a lower salary, shorter work week, implement some of the measures, but it's important that you continue paying them.
Meanwhile, the Manpower Ministry has been ramping up enforcement checks to ensure timely pay. Over 7,000 have been conducted so far.